I think this might be my most important tip, so listen in. Cleaning plays a critical role in protecting people because when it's done correctly, it can prevent the transmission of harmful and in some cases deadly infectious diseases. I'm an environmental health and safety professional in the hospitality industry, where I started in food and beverage 30 years ago. And for the last 20 years, I've been supporting and advising on hygiene, safety and security matters, including infection prevention. So in my time, I've seen many outbreaks, including food poisoning, influenza, and now COVID-19. I'm opening up the operations manual to cleaning practices for infection control to reveal what you need to know and do. This is no regular cleaning course, as I'll take you beyond the obvious and I'll show you how to enhance your cleaning practices. I'll lead you through how to clean and disinfect, how to map your department to determine what to clean, the methodology for cleaning and how often. We know that not all surfaces and objects are the same, so I want to help break this down with some top tips. I'm also adding a bonus lesson on how to clean if someone is diagnosed with an infectious disease. Infections like COVID-19 are at the forefront of everyone's minds, and people want assurance that they will be safe and protected when going about their day-to-day business. So in order to protect yourselves and others, I'll break this down and lead you through the steps. I'm Nina Fairweather. Join me to unlock cleaning practices for infection control.